Welcome home to my bathroom. Let me show you how to assemble and mount my new Algot. First, get your Algot parts organized and your tools ready. It's always a good idea to keep the assembly instructions and a cup of coffee close by. Let's start with the mounting rail. Determine the height. Right about there. Use a leveler and the helping hand or two to make sure it's even all the way across. Mark. Drill. Screw 'em tight. And voila! Attach your wall uprights onto the rail. Hook on a pair of brackets. And place 2 shelves to set the correct distance. Level and mark. Remove the shelves. Unhook the brackets. Hold up, level and check your marks one last time. Trust me on this one. Drill. Screw. And leave a little wiggle room for those tiny adjustments. Finally, hook the brackets back on. Place your shelves and tighten your screws. Click on your drying racks and with a little help from the pull-out rails, slide your baskets into their new home. Sweet! But the beauty of it all are the infinite ways to customize your Algot to suit any room, style or storage need, whichever they might be.